Students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Nation. Students, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe. It is the one-stop solution for mathematics. The channel is promised to cover the full syllabus and also promised to discuss all the doubts. Students, you may ask your doubt in my comment box. I ensure I will clear all your queries. Okay. In my last class, we have discussed about the conditions for which we get the in two variable linear equations. We have discussed all the conditions for which we get unique solution of the two equations, we get infinite solution of the given equations, and in which conditions we cannot get any solution of the given equations. Today we continue with it. Linear equation of two variables. Linear equation of two variables. Linear equation of two variables. Of two variables. Two variables. In which conditions we get unique solution. In which conditions we get unique solutions. In which conditions we get infinite number of solutions. We get infinite number of solutions. Then in which conditions we get no solutions. We get no solutions. Unique solution in which conditions? Unique solution in the conditions in which a1 upon a2. Unique solution in which conditions? a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. When a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, in this case we can get unique solutions. In which conditions we get infinite number of solutions? In the conditions in which a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In these conditions you can get infinite number of solutions. In which conditions we get no solutions? In which a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. In this case we get no solutions. Okay. Then we continue with this. Let us solve some examples. Here is the example given. Find the value of k for which the given equation have infinite number of solutions. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for which we get infinite number of solutions. For which we get infinite number of solutions. In which conditions we get infinite number of solutions? Only when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Here these two equations are given. First equation is 5x plus 2y is equal to k. Another equation is 10x plus 4y is equal to 3. Then here 5x plus 2y minus k is equal to 0. 10x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here this is a1 is here. a1 is 5. a2 is 10. b1 is, what is a1? a1 is coefficient of x. In equation 1, a2 is coefficient of x in equation 2. b1 is coefficient of y in equation 1 and b2 is coefficient of y in equation 2. Then what is c1? c1 is constant in equation 1. Then c2 is constant in equation 2. In equation 2. Look at here. Here the a1 upon a2 is equal to, in which conditions we get infinite number of solutions? The condition is in which a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Here A1 upon A2. What is A1? 5 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 2. And B1 upon B2 is 2 upon 4, which is also 1 upon 2. Then here C1 upon C2 is minus K upon minus 3. Minus minus cancel. Then we get half equal to K by 3. Then we get the conditions. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. We have to find out the value of K, for which A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. As K upon 3 equal to half, which shows that K equal to 3 by 2. When the value of K is 3 by 2, in these conditions we can get the infinite number of solutions. Okay. Then next example. Next example here, find the given number, find the value of K in which we can get infinite number of solutions. Here the equations are given: K minus 3 into X plus 3Y minus K is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Equation 2 says Kx plus Ky minus 12 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Here also we have to find out the value of K, for which we can get infinite number of solutions. Here infinite number of solutions we can find only when A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Here what is A1? A1 is K by 3. A1 is K minus 3. What is A1? A1 is coefficient of X in equation 1. A2 is coefficient of X in equation 2. B1 is coefficient of Y in equation 1. B2 is coefficient of Y in equation 2. C1 is coefficient constant in equation 1. C2 is constant in equation 2. Here the condition A1 upon A2 means K minus 3 upon K is equal to B1 upon B2 means 3 upon K, which is equal to minus K upon minus 12. Minus minus cancel. This is K upon 12. This means K minus 3 upon K is equal to 3 upon K. K cancel. Then K minus 3 is equal to 3. Then K equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here solve this also. 3 by K is equal to K by 12. This is K square is 12 into 3, which is equal to 36. K square is equal to 36 means K equal to plus or minus 6. We get the value here 6 and here plus or minus 6. Then can only the conditions when K is equal to plus or minus equal to 6, we can get infinite number of solutions. If minus 6, we cannot say A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Then here we get when K equal to 6, we can get infinite number of solutions. We can get infinite number of solutions. Okay. Then solve another example. Here the question asks find the value of K for which the given equation have no solutions. Here the given find the value of K, find the value of K for which the given system of equations for which the given equation have no solutions. The given equations have no solutions. What is the condition of no solutions? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. This is the conditions of no solutions. Here the given two equations are 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Another equation is given kx plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here equation 1, this is equation 2. What is A1 here? A1 is coefficient of x in equation 1. A2 is coefficient of x in equation 2. B1 is coefficient of y in equation 1. B2 is coefficient of y in equation 2. C1 is constant in equation 1. C2 is constant in equation 2. Then what is A1 upon A2? A1 upon A2 is 3 by k, which is equal to B1 upon B2 minus 4 by 3, which is not equal to 7 upon minus 5. Here the condition is clear. B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, as minus 4 by 3 is not equal to minus 7 upon 5. Minus 4 upon 3 is not equal to minus 7 upon 3. Here the condition is satisfied, but we have to find out the value of k, for which 3 by k is equal to minus 4 by 3 and not equal to 7 upon minus 5. Then 3 by k is equal to minus 4 by 3. Then k is equal to 3 into 3 upon minus 4. This is equal to minus 9 upon 4. The value of k is minus 9 upon 4, for which the conditions A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2 is satisfied. The value of k equal to 9 by 3, for the value of the k is minus 9 upon 4. Minus 9 upon 4, we cannot get any solutions. We cannot get any solutions. Means no solutions for these two given equations. Okay. Then solve another example. Here the question is asked, find the value of k for which first say unique solutions. Then the second question asked no solutions. The equations are given. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the given conditions, for which these two equations, system of equation kx minus y equal to 2, and another equation is given 6x minus 2y equal to 3. These are two equations. Find the value of k for which a unique solution. The equation has unique solutions, and second no solutions. No solutions. First the unique solutions. For the unique solutions, you know the conditions. For unique solutions, we know the conditions A1 upon A2. For unique solutions, we know the conditions A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Here the equations kx minus y minus 2 equal to 0. 6x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Here A1 is coefficient of x in equation 1, which is k. A2 is coefficient of x in equation 2. B1 is coefficient of y in equation 1. B2 is coefficient of y in equation 2. And C1 is coefficient of constant in equation 1, and C2 is constant in equation 2. Then here the conditions A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Here k, find the value of k for this. Here k by 6 should not be equal to minus 1 upon minus 2. then minus minus cancel. K by 6 is not equal to 1 by 2, means K should not be equal to 6 by 2. Sorry, K should not be equal to 6 by 2 means 3. Here for the value K is not equal to 3 is the value for which we can get the solutions, we can get unique solutions. For the value of K not equal to 3, we can get unique solutions by solving these two equations. Then find out the conditions for which we can get no solutions. What is the condition of no solutions? No solutions is the conditions in which A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but is not equal to C1 upon C2. Okay. Then solve. Here the conditions for these two equations are given. Here the equations are given. Ax minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3, means the equation is kx minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, equation 1. 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, equation 2. Here A1 is equal to k, A2 is equal to 6, B1 is equal to minus 1, B2 is equal to minus 2 and C1 is minus 2, C2 is minus 3. The conditions for no solutions is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 which is not equal to C1 upon C2. Then here K by 6 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 2 and which is not equal to minus 2 upon minus 3. Here the conditions is K by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 2, not equal to 2 by 3. Here 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3. Here the first conditions is satisfied. Then we can need only the second conditions. Find the value of K. For that K by A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, means K by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, means K equal to 6 by 2 which equal to 3. For the value of K equal to 3, we can get no solutions of these given two equations. Today this much. In my next class we will proceed to some word problems of two variables. Thank you students. Like, share and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you students.